to the beach for a little 2-day vacation on Pensacola Beach. It is, let's see, what, 10:16. We should be there in about 20-30 minutes. And we'll see y'all at the hotel. Alright, here we go, all checked in. We're gonna see our room here. Room 430. That's 32. Hold up, baby. 30's right here. Alright. I was gonna say, it's going up. Alright, there we go. Alright. There we go. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Nice, clean. Looks like they did a good job cleaning, at least. No hairs in the tub. Got a safe, closet. All right, nice. There's my beautiful wife. And of course, the ocean. Whoa. Of course, the thing we paid for. Woo! Nice waves today. I'm gonna have to go out there, man. Got some hammocks out there. Pool is open. I already got my alcohol here now, guys, so I'm spraying down this stuff.
In the bed. Just want to make sure.
Right. We already did the desk and all that stuff, so.
Okay, here, use this one.
All right. You don't have to use hand sanitizer every time we go somewhere. I know it's clean. Well, that's it, y'all. So that's our room. Nice. Clean now. It was pretty clean when we came in. We just wanted to make sure, you know, with the COVID and all that. Okay, baby. See my lovely wife getting a hammock. So instead of putting the hammock up better, they dug a hole. See whose butt. Hold on. Who's that sexy lady? Man. Heading over to the little tiki bar. I don't think it's open. Jessica wanted to go over there. All right, I'm gonna go talk to this sexy lady. All right, she's lonely tonight. What's up, baby? Need a man in your life, sweetheart?
No, I don't need anybody but you.
Happy anniversary! She landed on U.S. soil exactly 1 year from today. She didn't even know it.
You don't tell me.
All right, here we go, y'all. We got Glendon J-Dub with us. Jessica's new shirt. Beaching, not teaching. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna head on over to the boardwalk across the street. So where we eating at, baby? Where we eating at? Hooters.
First time with Glenda's.
First time with Glenda, we're gonna eat at Hooters.
Yeah.
Last time me and JW ate there, Glenda was in the Philippines and she got upset.
Why?
Because the Hooters. All right, go put our name on the list there, baby. All right, it'll be 20, 25 minutes. So we got some time to enjoy this beautiful evening. Glenn was like, oh, that's what JW was looking at. The Hooters girls. All right, inside Hooters. Wiping down our table. There's J-Dub.
Glenda.
One for you and Jessica right there.
Me and Mark are sharing these ones.
What you got?
Look at the sandwich.
Look at Jacob's. Oh my God, it's a big one. It's a big man.
All right, let's eat. That's good.
Oh, you got blue cheese?
Yeah.
Good.
You like blue cheese?
Yeah. Blended on.
All right, finished eating. See what the damage is. All right, heading back to the hotel. What a beautiful night. Nice. Hey, buddy. This is why I love the beach. Nights like tonight. J-Dub over there. Social distancing at the max. JW doing his vlog for Glenn Dub's Adventures. Checking out time. Here we go. Whoop, left a bag. All right, here we go. Heading back to my mom's house. 6:30 in the morning. So my wife can do her freaking whatever she gotta do. Alright.
Got a meeting.
Let's do a little drive here.
Hampton.
nice stay, honey.
We're coming back, Pensacola Beach.
Pensacola Beach, baby.